हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू मोस्ट एजुकेशन। आज मैं आपके लिए मौलाना आज़ाद नेशनल उर्दू यूनिवर्सिटी के बीए फोर्थ सेमेस्टर की इंटीग्रेटेड स्किल्स इन इंग्लिश 2 इसके मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज इस वीडियो के अंदर लेकर आया हूं। चैप्टर 1 से चैप्टर 5 तक मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज हम सॉल्यूशन करेंगे। वीडियो को पूरा देखें और बीच में बिल्कुल भी स्किप ना करें, और वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो इसको एक लाइक करना बिल्कुल ना भूलें। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज transition words or connectors are utilized in any piece of writing in order to have link among dash different words in a sentence to create a midpoint within a sentence. Diverse ideas as presented in the text. None of these options. The right answer is option C. Diverse ideas as presented in the text. Next question, question number 2. How many major types of transition connectors or signals have been mentioned in the unit in terms of their form? Option A 3 to 4 types, option B 4 to 5 types, option C 3 types, option D 2 types. The right answer is option B 4 to 5 types. Next question, question number 3. Sentence connectors are used to form a connection or interlink in dash. Option A more than two sentences, more than three sentences, large number of sentences. The right answer is option C, option B, two sentences. Two sentences. Sentence connectors are used to form a connection or interlink in two sentences. Question number 4. The role of transition signals or connectors with regard to the organization of ideas in a text is of dash prime nature, insufficient nature, trivial nature, no purpose. The right answer is option A, prime nature. Next question, question number 5. Through transition words and signals, the readers of the text will be able to dash grasp the key ideas presented by the writers, get confused by the text, and option C feel over feel overjoyed with the use of decorative tools, and option D interpret the way he or she seems it fit. The right answer is option A, grasp the key ideas presented by the writers. Next question, question number 6. Clause level transition signals or phrases are used to link or bridge a connection between different parts of a sentence, diverse layers of sentences, diverse types of clauses in a sentences, different sentences. The right answer is diverse types of clauses in a sentence. Option C, the right answer. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7। दोस्तों वीडियो को पूरा देखिएगा, अभी 5 चैप्टर्स बाकी हैं, अभी फर्स्ट चैप्टर होने वाला है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7। कॉन्ट्रास्टिव फॉर्म ऑफ ट्रांजिशन सिग्नल्स और कनेक्टर्स आर यूज्ड इन ऑर्डर टू pinpoint relationship among ideas of option A similar nature and types, option B dissimilar types of ideas, option C disintegrated ideas, option D disjointed ideas. The right answer is option B dissimilar types of ideas. Question number 8. Emphasis and importance based transition signals are used to highlight the idea that option A the writer wants to put emphasis Option B, the writer wants to hide from the readers. Option C, the readers are unable to comprehend. Option D, has disjointed ideas. The right answer is option A, the writer wants to put emphasis. Option A is the right answer. वीडियो को अब तक लाइक नहीं किया तो लाइक कर दीजिए और इस वीडियो को अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कर दीजिए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, comparative based transition signals are used by the writers in writing to highlight examples in a text. Option B, illustrate some key idea. Option C, to show similarities among diverse ideas. Option D, all of the above. The right answer is option C, to show similarities among diverse ideas. To show similarities among diverse ideas. Question number 10, transition words with regards to time and location are used with the function to pinpoint. Option A, why and where something happens. Option B, reason behind occurrence of something. Option C, the time and place of something. The right answer is option C, the time and place of something. The time and place of something. अगला जो चैप्टर है, नेक्स्ट चैप्टर, वो है फैक्ट एंड ओपिनियन के बारे में। द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, रीड द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंस एंड डिसाइड विद द ऑफ देम आर फैक्ट्स एंड विच आर ओपिनियंस। फैक्ट होता है एकदम ट्रुथ, ओपिनियन होता है जो हम अनुमान लगाते हैं। ऑप्शन ए, एलिमेंट्स आर द लार्जेस्ट एग्जिटिंग लैंड एनिमल्स। दिस इज फैक्ट। ये एक सच है, ट्रूथ है, बदला नहीं जा सकता। ऑप्शन बी, 3 लिविंग स्पेसीज आर करंटली रिकॉग्नाइज्ड, द अफ्रीकन बुश एलिफेंट, द अफ्रीकन फॉरेस्ट एलिफेंट एंड द एशियन एलिफेंट। दिस इज फैक्ट, FACT, फैक्ट। दोस्तों वीडियो को पूरा देखिएगा और बीच में बिल्कुल भी स्किप मत कीजिएगा, बहुत काम का वीडियो होने वाला है। ऑप्शन सी, दे आर द ओनली सर्वाइविंग मेंबर्स ऑफ द फैमिली एलिफेंटेटिडाइड एंड द ऑर्डर। दिस इज फैक्ट। ऑप्शन सी भी फैक्ट है दोस्तों। दोस्तों वीडियो को पूरा देखते रहें और स्किप ना करें। इस वीडियो को अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कर दें जो ग्रेजुएशन की तैयारी कर रहे हैं। आपके एग्जाम 26 सितंबर से हैं। ऑप्शन डी है, एलिफेंट्स कैन नॉट वॉक वेरी फास्ट। यस, दिस इज फैक्ट। हाथी जो हैं बहुत तेज नहीं चल सकते। बिल्कुल सही। ऑप्शन ई, एलिफेंट्स आर ऑलवेज लॉयल टू देयर मास्टर्स। दिस इज एन ओपिनियन। This is not fact, but this is opinion. Fact is always objective and opinion is always subjective. दोस्तों अभी हम चैप्टर 2 पर चल रहे हैं। चैप्टर 3 और 4 और 5 बाकी है, इसलिए वीडियो को पूरा देखिएगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है, मार्क द सेंटेंसेस ट्रू और फॉल्स। इसमें हमें सही और गलत का पता लगाना है, क्या ट्रू है क्या फॉल्स है। ऑप्शन ए, एन ओपिनियन इज सेल्फ coined statement. This is true. TRUE, true. And option B is, a fact is always correct and prompt. This is true. TRUE, true. Option C, we don't need to check a fact on the basis of evidence. We don't need to check a fact on the basis of evidence. This is false. FALSE, false. And option D, a fact is same as an opinion. No, a fact is subjective and opinion is objective. This is false. FALSE, false. And option E, an opinion can be based on imagination. This is true. जो ओपिनियन है वो एक इमेजिनेशन के ऊपर बेस्ड होता है। An opinion can be based on imagination. This is true. True. Question number third. Fill in the blanks with the correct word. हमें खाली जगह को पुर करना है, उसमें करेक्ट वर्ड भरना है. ऑप्शन ए, effect is based on logic and dash. Effect is based on logic and evidence. 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 And option B, dash means fact should be in a sequence. Sequence. The right answer is chronology. 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 Chronology means fact should be is a sequence. Option C, and dash is based on personal belief. Personal belief पर fact believe होता है. Right answer is fact. An opinion, personal belief, opinion. Opinion is the right answer. Option D, dash is always based on truth. Fact is always based on truth. Option D में आएगा fact. FACT, fact. Like this video and subscribe this channel and share your friends. Option E, dash never changes with personal ideas. ओपिनियन को चेंज किया जा सकता है पर्सनल आइडिया से, लेकिन फैक्ट को नहीं. FACT, फैक्ट. ऑप्शन ई में भी फैक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा. द राइट आंसर इज फैक्ट. दोस्तों एक बार देख लीजिए. फैक्ट इज बेस्ड ऑन लॉजिक एंड एविडेंस. क्रोनोलॉजी मीन्स फैक्ट शुड बी इन ए सीक्वेंस. एन ओपिनियन इज बेस्ड ऑन पर्सनल बिलीफ. फैक्ट इज ऑलवेज बेस्ड ऑन ट्रूथ. फैक्ट नेवर चेंज विद पर्सनल आइडियाज. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, विच ऑफ दिस इज फैक्ट. हमें फैक्ट बताना है. सन रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड द अर्थ. दिस इज नॉट फैक्ट. दिस इज फॉल्स. अर्थ रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड द सन. जो पृथ्वी है सूरज के चारों ओर चक्कर लगाती है. दिस इज राइट, फैक्ट. ऑप्शन सी, अर्थ इज द ओनली प्लेनेट. दिस इज फॉल्स. ऑप्शन क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, विच ऑफ दिस इज एन ओपिनियन. हमें इसमें ओपिनियन बताना है. स्मोकिंग इज इंजurious टू हेल्थ. This is fact. Smoking is injuries to health. About 60% of our bodies are water. This is fact. This is truth and fact. Option C, men are always taller than women. This is an opinion. This is correct answer of question 5. Opinion. Opinion. Question number 6. Which of this is type of opinion? Option A, informal opinion. Option B, logic. Option C, coherence. Option D, none. हमें ओपिनियन बताना है. द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, informed opinion. Question number 7, which of this is type of fact? Position on controversial issues, self-evidence, logic, none. The right answer is option B, self-evidence. Self-evidence is a type of fact. Question number 8, write the definition of fact. Definition of fact. A fact is a statement that is tested and proven true by experiments, observations, analysis, and research. A fact is a statement that is tested and proven true by experiments, observations, analysis, and research. A fact is always objective. आप इसको नोट कर लीजिए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. Question number 9. What is an opinion? Definition of an opinion. An opinion is any person's belief, feelings, or judgment based. An opinion is any person's belief, feelings, or judgment based on personal experience, ideas, or based on general beliefs of a group of people. An opinion is always subjective. An opinion is always subjective. इसको नोट कर लें, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. चैप्टर सेकंड completed. We go third chapter. Question number third. Pick the adverbs or frequency used in hedging. Commonly, frequently, rarely, and all of this. The right answer is option D, all of this. Commonly, frequently, rarely is the right answer. Question number 4. Identify the use of polite expression. Example 1. Give me a glass of water. Example 2. Please give me a glass of water. Option A, example 1. Option B, example 2. Option C, both example 1 and example 2. Option D, neither 1 or neither 2. The right answer is option B, example 2. Polite expression. Identify the use of polite expression. Example 2. Please give me a glass of water is the right answer. Question number 5. Revert, get lost as a polite expression. The right answer is, could you please leave me alone for a moment? Question number 6. Revert the sentence using polite expression. Which bus goes to Jamnagar? Excuse me, could you please tell me which bus goes to Jamnagar? It is polite expression. Question number 7. Revert using a polite expression. What do you want? The right answer is question number 7. How can I help you? What slash would you like? It is a polite expression. Question number 8. Write a polite expression used to interpret someone. Used to interpret someone. The right answer of question number 8. I am sorry to interpret, but excuse me, may I interpret for a moment? Question number 9. Revert using a polite expression. What is your name? The right answer of question number 9 is, may I know your name, please? The right answer is, may I know your name, please? Question number 10. Complete the sentence using a noun as a head. There is a dash of rain tonight. The right answer is question number 10. Possibility. Chapter number 4. Emotional intelligence in communication. Let's start MCQs. Which of the following individual connects to the term emotional intelligence? Option A, Goldman. Option B, Wechsler. Option C, Sternberg. Option D, Ekman. The right answer is option A, Goldman. Daniel Goldman. Question number 2. Identify the skill not associated with the emotional intelligence. Identify the skill not associated with the emotional intelligence. Option A, experiencing love. Option B, negotiating conflict. Option B, being sensitive to others. Option D, expressing pride and anger. The right answer is option D, expressing pride and anger. The right answer is option D. अगर आपने अभी तक वीडियो को लाइक नहीं किया तो लाइक कर दीजिए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस इज characterized by. Option A, proficiency in problem solving. Option B, better interpersonal relationship. Option C, good sense of humor. Option D, all of the above. The right answer is option B, better interpersonal relationship. Emotional intelligence is characterized by better interpersonal relationship. Question number 4. Emotions are Option A, responses objective to our experiences. Option B, responses subjective to our experience. Option C, psychological changes to our experiences. Option D, behavioral changes to experiences. The right answer is option B, responses subjective to our experiences. Question number 5. Being empathetic means that you. Option A, are pathetic. Option B, are lazy. Option C, help others. Option D, understand and share other people's feeling and emotions. The right answer is option D, understand and share other people's feelings and emotions. Question number 6. Emotional intelligence is different from other intelligences in that dash. Option A, it is a set of skills. Option B, it can be measured using test easily. Option C, the focus is on emotional reasoning, ability and knowledge. Option D, it is a new type of intelligence. The right answer is option C. The focus is on emotional reasoning, ability and knowledge. वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कर दीजिए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. Which of the following is the best predictor of academic performance? EI, IQ, option C personality, option D none of this. इसमें पूछा गया है academic performance. The right answer is option B IQ. And question number 8. Challenging and disagreeing with other people's opinions is important when solving problems. Option B, rude and should not be done. Option C, only okay if you know you are right. Option D, a trivial thing to do. The right answer is option A, important when solving problems. दोस्तों वीडियो पर बने रहें. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. Mindfulness is the practice of purposely focusing attention on the present moment. Best judgment with slash without. इसमें बताना है with या without में से क्या आएगा. The right answer is without. Question number 10. A person with better IQ will excel in best challenges, social slash mental. The right answer is mental. IQ का कनेक्शन मेंटल से है दोस्तों. सही आंसर हो जाएगा मेंटल. नेक्स्ट चैप्टर एंड लास्ट चैप्टर ऑफ दिस वीडियो, इंटरेक्शन एट पब्लिक प्लेसेस. शुरू करते हैं एमसीक्यूज. लेट्स स्टार्ट एमसीक्यूज. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. विच ऑफ two terms is called reciprocal among interaction and communication? Option A interaction, option B communication, option C both of this, option D none of this. The right answer is option A interaction. Question number 2. Where a clear cut reaction or response is required from the other side to move the pace on. Option A in communication, option B in interaction, option C in both of this, option D in none of this. The right answer is option B in interaction. Question number 3. Though language is an imperative tool in interaction, but it is not merely limited to oral and verbal language. Rather, it includes option A bodily movement, option B gesture and signals, Option B, signs and expression. Option D, all of this mentioned above. The right answer is option D, all of this mentioned above. Question number 4. Interaction is a broader term used in all domains, but in public place with of these types is utilized for interaction. Option A, social interaction. Option B, multiple nature of interaction. Option C, cultural interaction. Option D, none of the above. The right answer is option A, social interaction. We go to question number 5. Question number 5 is communication, which is a part of interaction, can be divided into which of these types of communication? Option A, formal communication. Option B, informal communication. Option C, formal and informal communication. Option D, none of this. The right answer is option C, formal and informal communication. Question number 6. Which of these can take place without any response or relation from the other side to move ahead? Interaction, multiple directional communication, option C, communication, option D, all of this. The right answer is option C, communication. Communication is the right answer of question number 6. Question number 7. Which of these terms is mainly meant to influence or affect people rather than serving any other objective? Informal situation, formal situation, interaction या फिर communication. The right answer is option D, communication. Communication is the right answer of question number 7. दोस्तों, अगर आपने अब तक वीडियो को लाइक नहीं किया तो लाइक कर दीजिए और इस चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और इस वीडियो को अपने सभी दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कर दीजिए जो ग्रेजुएशन बीए फोर्थ सेमेस्टर में है मौलाना आजाद नेशनल उर्दू यूनिवर्सिटी में. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. Which of this is specially meant to supply or seek information, opinion, views and perceptions? Option A, communication. Option B, interaction. Option C, both of this. Option D, none of this. The right answer is option B, interaction. Question number 8, the right answer is option B. Question number 9. Which of this is either one or two directional in nature? Option A, communication. Option B, interaction. Option C, situation. Option D, all of this. The right answer is option A, communication. Question number 10. What has a key role in every walk of human activity to proceed in daily matters of human life? Communication skills, management skills, financial skills, social cultural critique. The right answer is option A, communication skills. Communication skills the right answer. दोस्तों, ये थे 5 चैप्टर्स एमसीक्यूज, इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज जो हमने इस वीडियो के अंदर डिस्कस कर लिए. वीडियो को लाइक करें और चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर बताएं वीडियो कैसी लगी और इसमें कोई डाउट हो तो कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर पूछ लें. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम फिर मिलेंगे. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग मोस्ट एजुकेशन एंड बेस्ट ऑफ लक योर एग्जाम्स.